Hello everyone, we are in Dole village, which is 35 kilometers from Shillong, and this village is adjacent to the Nongtrao village, which we were yesterday. And coming here, we did a community workshop where we taught the midday meal cooks how to cook food. It's more friendly towards kids, and also we incorporated eggs, we incorporated pork, chicken, and also uh, whatever available resources are here. I found out that they use a lot of banana stems in their cooking, so we incorporated a lot of banana stems into the cooking today, and we had a nice time. The kids were enjoying the food, and hopefully they come up with a lot of new dishes for the midday meal programs, and also to eat healthy and to live healthy.
Kajing song jong am ta singi kalong kasingi waya jing mentai sibun yangi ma Philippine i gumno garo komiset yaki neki jur kanegi jing mam tan lai jongi pi aji mentai sibun haka rukom banset nani ban kam haka mid demil
Teng yo cuma toy sibun na bata cuma tak singi ba nila ban pentai kam nang nes kmat ba ga kecing mentoy ba bat ki cing don kam hane pos no cumi kum ki chur ki jep ba kum ka culong ber kata ngimpat la ban pentai kam naduk mata singi terter ngila ban trikam kini ki chur ki ba ngidon hane po sla ka meram ok cungi ba kum ki chur ki jep ki ba bur chat ba balong kum ki bat balong kum ki ba teido tisna mengi nakaliang tu ki khna skuru ngai ba kini sim ya kane ka kabu ko ba nga kumunong set ko ba ni haban set tangkini kinte ni nai khulei subun